Welcome back to the channel. In the last video, we installed the whole moving average, our master trend indicator. We now have a simple, powerful rule. If the line is green, we only look for buys. If it's red, we only look for sells. This is a fantastic start, but it leads to a very important question. The trend is up, the line is green, that's great. But when exactly do we buy? If you buy right here, you risk getting caught in a pullback and immediately being in a losing trade. And if you wait too long, you might miss the move entirely. What we need is a tool that tells us when the price has temporarily pulled back and is on sale, giving us a high probability, low-risk entry point within the main trend. Today, we're adding the second piece of our free trading system to do exactly that. The indicator we're going to use is one of the most popular and effective tools for this job, the Stochastic RSI, or Stoch RSI for short. Our goal is to combine this with our trend indicator. In an uptrend, we want to buy when the market has a temporary oversold pullback. It's like buying your favorite stock when it goes on a temporary sale. Let me show you how to add it. It's completely free on TradingView. First, click the Indicators tab again. In the search box, just type Stoch RSI. The very first one that pops up, Stochastic RSI, is the one we want. Click it. Now you have this new panel at the bottom of your screen. It might look complicated, but it's very simple. There are only two things you need to watch. This upper line here is the Overbought level. That's level 80. This lower line here is the Oversold level. That's level 20. Now for the magic. Let's combine this with our whole moving average from part 1. This gives us our new two-part entry rule. For a buy signal, we need two conditions to be met. Condition number 1. The whole moving average must be green. We are in an uptrend. Condition number 2. The Stoch RSI must drop below the 20 oversold line and then cross back up. Let's look at some examples. This is where the power of the system becomes clear. Okay, look here. The whole moving average is green, so our trading bias is UP. We are only looking for buys. Price is moving up, but then we get a pullback. As the price pulls back, look down at our Stoch RSI. See how it drops below the 20 line? It's now officially oversold. We don't enter yet. We wait for the signal. And there, where the blue Stoch RSI line crosses back above the orange line, still in the oversold area. That is our high probability entry signal. And look what happens next, a fantastic move to the upside. Here's another one on EUR USD. The hull is green. Price pulls back. The Stoch RSI drops into the oversold zone. We wait. And boom, we get the crossover. Another beautiful entry signal. Most importantly, this system keeps us out of bad trades. Look at this. Find a spot where the Stoch RSI gives a buy signal, but the HMA is red. Here, the Stoch RSI is oversold and crossing up. If you were only using this one indicator, you might take this buy trade. But what does our master trend rule say? The whole moving average is red. This is a downtrend. So, according to our system, we ignore this buy signal completely. And look what happened. The price continued to fall. Our system just saved us from a losing trade. So let's recap. We now have a two-part system. The HMA defines the trend, and the Stoch RSI pinpoints our entry. This is already a solid foundation for a strategy, but we can make it even better. The next question is, how do we know if our entry signal has enough fuel to actually work? What if we get a perfect buy signal, but we're running straight into a massive wall of hidden resistance? In the next video, I'm going to show you a powerful free indicator that works like X-ray vision for the market. It will show us exactly where the major support and resistance zones are, helping us avoid trades that are likely to fail. You are building a powerful system, step by step. If you're finding this valuable, please hit that like button. It's a huge help. And be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you get instant access to part 3, where we add our confirmation layer. Thanks for your time, and I'll see you in the next video.